Welcome back to Southpaw Garage. We got another install for the bed to add some more functionality. And for this one, all you need is a ratchet and a 13mm socket. Today we're going to be installing a brand new accessory from Integral Truck for the 2019 and newer Chevy Silverado. This new accessory is bed mounted ratchet straps. We have two of these in this box. Including tie down brackets for each one. There's two tie down brackets per ratchet strap mount, and mounting hardware for each one as well. So this is what we're looking at for the kit. Two brackets with ratchet straps, two tie down loops for each bracket that will be added to each one, the backing plate for mounting the ratchet straps, and the bolts and washers for getting that mounted up and tightened down. Before we do this really quick install, let's talk about the function of this ratchet strap. So you'll notice that the bracket for the strap is mounted to the mounting bracket here. You've got the hook. I'm holding it inside the bottom. You can mount it either way, up or down. And then the handle up here has a red knob, or I don't know if it's called a knob, but pressure point right there, and then the handle here. So you can release this to get your length, and then of course you hook it in wherever you need to. And then once you get that to your length that you want it, you can push on that red knob right there to release this so that you can then ratchet the strap where you need it. And then when you're done with the ratchet strap and you're ready to get it back up and spooled up, push down the red button and it pulls it right back in. So I think this is going to be a really nice feature for the bed of the Silverado. Let's go ahead and get these installed. All right, so these straps are designed to mount to these tie down points on the truck, which is why you get new tie down anchors for the brackets. They're designed to go around two of them, so you can either do the bottom two like this or the top two like this. I think I'm going to do the bottom two. I think it makes more sense to pull the ratchet up and over something, and I feel like having it down here, when you tighten it up, it'll just help really put the pressure on whatever you're holding it down to keep it in place, rather than putting it up here. But whatever works best for your truck or your scenario, you can mount it either way. And of course, like I said, you can do it up or down with the hook as well. I'm going to go down and at the bottom. So to do this, you have the backing plates for the bracket. One goes through each loop that you want to mount to. Then you'll need 4 bolts and washers. You'll need 2 for each of those backing plates. So we're using these 13mm hex head bolts. So when we do this, I'm going to add the tie down bracket. I'm going to face it out towards the tailgate instead of into the sidewall. I'll just slide a bolt through one of those holes and get it lined up and start one of these in the backing plate. And I can already see the hook's gonna hit against the bed if I just leave it laying here. So I could actually just kind of smooth it over to the side and put it over the top of this tie down point, and that should keep it from banging against the bed. So now we'll just get these snug down. I'm gonna snug each one a little bit at a time until I have all of them tight. And that is all it takes to get these installed. So I'm going to do the other side of the bed, and then we're going to pull these straps out and get something strapped down. Now I've got this stack of boxes here, so I'm just going to pull the strap out. Hook it to a tie down point at the back of the truck, and then we'll ratchet it up. I'm actually just going to press the button to pull it in some, and then we'll ratchet the rest of the way. It's locked in right there. I even cross hook it with the other one. I'll press the red button to get that pulled in, and then finish ratcheting. There we go. Now, I don't think this will go anywhere. It's not the safest way to mount this in the bed of the truck if I was driving it somewhere, because it sticks out the back, tailgate stays down, and I would not actually strap it like this. This is just an example of how to use the straps, so these were what I had available. But I do think you can see that these straps work really well, super functional, and they'll be really useful for anyone that likes to load their bed down or needs to load their bed down and want a quick and easy access to a ratchet strap. So if you want a set of these for your Silverado, you can check out Integral Trucks website. They've got a bunch of different versions of these for different brands of trucks, not just Silverado. So go check them out. These straps, I think, are going to be really, really handy. And I mean, look at how simple and easy that install was. Super quick, super easy to install. If you're interested in other Integral products, they have a bed rail system as well with mounting brackets. I installed that in this video right over here, so check that one out also. For now, thank you for watching and sharing this video. This is Southpaw Garage signing out.